So Professor Liu is going to preview this playtime solution with you. This cell phone project we did in chapter 2. In chapter 3 is a continue for this playtime cell phone project, but there are new thing right here. Number one, we're going to use the input box to get salesperson's name. All right, and then we also want to make a calculate button as a default button. We also do something new. It's called text change. We also do something new. It's called text change. All right, and then we also do something is we are going to this time we're going to calculate the tax and the total price. We also learn something called concatenate string. We also need to learn how to advance insertion point to the next line. And we also need to learn how to take the value from the form and save to the code variables. Okay, so in order to do that, I want to preview this program with you right now. All right, so this is your playtime solution. Let me quickly preview it. Now we are going to add 3 lines here. After I add the 3 lines here, you need to create variables. Okay, you need to create variables, and we are going to take a look, preview this program, take a look, and we'll go in detail to teach you how to do it. Is that okay? So let's preview it. So gentlemen and ladies, I'm going to preview this program with you right now. So I'm going to build it. Rebuild it, sorry. So when I have this program here, so I don't need to put a name here, just make easier. So I order 10 blue phone, order 5 pink phone. This was like your chapter 2. I am going to calculate order. This is new. I have an input box. It will ask me salesperson's name. So I'm going to put my name. And this is called input box. Salesperson's name is called prompt. And the name entry is a title. There's an OK button. There's a cancel button. If I click OK, then the program will get my sales tax. All right. So I got total phone. I got 15 phone as total, and I got the tax too. And I also get salesperson name Xin Liu here. And you also notice my name concatenated, but go to next line. Okay, but that's think this is simulation. Is a salesperson do that? So second person, this is one person is order 10 and 5. So how about let me do another one right here. So I look here. I already have this 15,385. Now I'm going to click on this. I have another person coming. I say this person say I need 20. So as soon as I change, the text change, did you see this thing already clear out for you? So as a programmer, you make it user easier. So as soon as I have a text change, I clear. It's clear right now. So, and they say, oh, I need 10 of these. Okay, so it's clear, all these. Calculate order. So now, as long as this program is continue running, you see this salesperson name, you don't need to retype. It's like when you go to a grocery store. When you go to a grocery store and there's a someone and clock in, and their name will be safe until next person clock in. So right here, my salesperson's name is right there, unless somebody else take my shift. So this is easier. You understand? So I click OK. All right. So let's change it right. Let's change let me use this one, the pink one. So I'm going to change the pink one, 5. So same thing. As long as I change pink or I change to blue, this will be clear. And this will be clear to make it easier. So I'm going to say, all right, 10. Now this time, I am going to use a enter. Instead of clicking my mouse, I'm going to use enter. And I have the same thing because enter is easier than click mouse. All right. So if I click OK, then the program also create a total phone and the total price and get my sales tax and my name. Okay. So I close this one and quickly review for you. We are going to do a lot new work. So I put my phone here for you to see, and you will watch the second one. Then I am going to tell you today you need to learn to use create variables. Okay, variables. And this is called procedure level. Inside the private is procedure level. The any variable start with dim. Okay, and later we're going to deal with this. So dim. Then we're going to create name. If that's integer, start with int. And you want to create a good name. So these match to that. During in the code, we don't have to create variable for every single control. Only create a variable which we later need to do the calculation. Okay. Now, once also you need to learn very important is today we do input box. Later we practice that too. We need to get the value from the form. From the form, this one is txtBlue. We're going to retrieve, take the value by Integer.Tryparse and save into intBluePhone. Okay, and later on, once we get total, we're going to save into here. When we save into here, we do convert.to. All right. So this is your preview. This is your preview program. So let me stop. I hope you like the new part, and we're going to learn this new part together.